Special type of triangles are 45, 45, 90. This one occurs a lot more when you have a square, and again you're looking at the diagonal. Okay, so these are both going to be 45 because they were originally 90, and this one's 90. So that's where you get those relationships a lot in these. 45, 45, 90s I think are a little bit easier. We looked at several of them on our Pythagorean theorem notes. This side's going to be x, this side's x squared roots of 2. Okay. So again, kind of same thing. It helps to start by labeling it. The big thing is I know that any side opposite the 45 is going to be x squared roots of 2. So if x is 5, then AB is also 5. AC is 5 squared roots of 2. Pretty easy. Looking at the back, same thing. Again, I have a 45, 45, 90. So this is your x squared roots of 2. I need to figure out what x is. So again, I can solve this. Dividing 4 by the square root of 2 is going to give me x. Okay, but again, I don't like to leave square roots in the bottom, so times the square root of 2 over square root of 2. That's going to give me, I'm running out of room here, which is crazy because I have this whole page. 4 square root of 2 over 2, which can reduce to be just 2 square roots of 2. So that's going to be both of your x's. 2 square roots of 2 and 2 square roots of 2. Man, these are good questions. So same thing here on number 3. This side is again your x squared root of 2. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This side is your x and x. Okay, so again, I need to solve this for x. So x is going to equal, I'm going to give myself more room this time, 3 square roots of 15 divided by the square root of 2. Okay. We don't like square roots in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. The bottom is going to become just 2. The top, 3 square roots of 30. If 30 would happen to factor tree out and you could simplify some stuff, that would be great. 30, though, is just 3 and 10 and just 2 and 5, and there aren't any pairs. So this is as simplified as x gets. So 3 square roots of 30 over 2 and 3 square roots of 30 over 2. One more question, this is a good one too. If this is your x squared roots of 2, okay, so, and I need to know what x is. Again, I'm going to start by dividing by square root of 2. So x equals 1 over 2 square roots of 2. We don't like square roots in the denominator, so again, I multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. The top becomes just the square root of 2. The bottom becomes 2 square roots of 4. Or 2 times 2, or just 4. So your answer is square root of 2 over 4. Okay. There are times in trig and upper level math and stuff where it's really handy to be able to do this fairly quickly.